When your gut, your mind, and your body are in balance, it shows. This month, I'm sharing with you some effective strategies to boost digestion, mental clarity, and overall well-being because it's to help you feel balanced and strong from the inside out. Hey, my name is Francois. I'm the founder and chief health and wellness specialist here at the Other Pain Clinic. You may have just started to follow me, or you've been following me for a little while, and you may notice that I offer coaching programs that go beyond chronic pain management to embrace overall health and well-being, which can include stuff like this, like gut health. My focus is especially for men's gut health, but gut health as a whole is really important. Menopause insights and mental wellness as well. Ideally, my holistic approach covers it all. You may find that I'm passionate for improving energy, mobility, and daily function, and to help you become empowered to experience a better quality of life. All right, I invite you to join in with this video today because what I want to share with you is something that's like super important, and it's how your gut can be holding you back from everyday activities to special moments that you're planning and a couple other things. Because have you ever felt like something's just off, but you can't quite put your finger on it? Could it be that your energy is dragging for some reason? Maybe your skin's not cooperating, or no matter what you do, you just can't seem to focus. And that could be frustrating, especially when you're doing all those right things as well. You're doing your exercises to help out with your muscle health. You've been able to lose some weight. Maybe your nutrition's a lot better now too, because with the nutrition, you're helping out your overall body for energy and helping out with your hormones as well. But believe it or not, these issues might link back to your gut because your gut is just so much more than just food. It impacts everything. Did you know that? Maybe to how energized you feel, to how quickly you bounce back after a tough exercise session. And when your digestion isn't working at its best, it can show up in ways you may not expect. For example, low energy levels. Maybe those are a flag for you. Because if you feel like you're running on empty, and I'll be really nice here, even after a full night's sleep, your body may not be absorbing the nutrients properly. Another sign, maybe some skin issues, some dullness or breakouts. Your gut and skin are deeply connected, and when one out is balanced, the other might be right behind it as well. And let's not forget about mindful, I'll say, mood swings. Your gut produces about 90% of your serotonin, that feel-good hormone. So when your digestion is off, it can take a toll on our mood as well to make it harder to feel calm, focused, and positive. So I want to share with you three things to help shift this, I'll say balance for lack of a better word. So a couple things to try out. It's eating more whole, real foods because our gut thrives on fresh, on some fruits, on some veggies, some proteins, healthy fats. Processed foods can throw those things out of whack. Speaking about eating, it's also slowing down when we eat. Chewing our food thoroughly helps our body break down the food so it can absorb the nutrients more effectively as well. And then it's adding some gut-friendly foods. You probably heard about these. Fermented veggies, yogurt, or kefir can help support a happy gut as well. Ideally, these small tweaks can help create shifts in how you feel every single day as well. So if you notice any of these signs, try not to ignore them. I know there could be some other factors going on for sure. It could be weather related, it could be other stressors, but supporting your gut is one of those most effective ways we can help to improve how we feel from the inside out. Hey, I want you to have an amazing day, and please follow me at theotherpainclinic.com. That's website, Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, and also YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. All right, have a great day. And for next week, I'm going to share with you how to do a weekly gut reset plan. So definitely tune in for the next week. I'm going to do that video on Monday next week. All right, until then, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.